Hi, welcome to the video tutorial for creating agreements for digital citizens. The first thing that you should know is that there's a Google Doc that's available that previews the entire digital citizenship lesson and has some suggestions for the teacher on the right-hand side. So if you want to get started with the Google Doc, that's a great place to begin. Then when you're ready to engage with the tool, you'll want to go to nearpod.com and you'll want to click login. Once you're here, you can log in either with your email and a password, or just click login with Google, and that will automatically use your Eden Prairie Google account to log you in. Once you are there, you should probably get to a screen that looks like this, and then you'll be able to see all the different kinds of presentations that you have. These are all my presentations. You'll also have a link to get to the particular template of this Nearpod lesson. Once you click on that link, you'll get a screen like this that says Linnea West has shared creating agreements with you. Would you like to accept it? You'll click yes, and then you'll get to your library of presentations. So when I'm here in my presentations, I select the presentation that I want to work with, and I click open. And then once you see it, if you'd like to edit some of it, you can by just simply clicking the edit button. Once you're finished with it, you can publish it, and then you can engage your students in a live session. I already have a live session going, but this is what you would do. You would click it here and preview. And here's the preview. And where is the live session? You can click on the engage button here, and you can select the presentation that you'd like to have, and you click live session. Now I already have a live session going, so I'm just going to close this one out. But the first thing that you'll notice is that you get a pin that the students have to enter in on their iPad app. That way when they join this live session, they can see that it's right here with you. I'm just going to highlight a couple of the features. I've already put in some answers to this Nearpod. Whatever you see on this screen here is also what your students will see. So after your students have entered in their name, you'll see them here on this student list. And some ways for you to share their data is if you have them here, list 2 to 5 activities we already do with our iPads. You'll see here that this is what the student Linnea West entered in. So if I click share, this feature right here shows up on all of the students who are enrolled in this Nearpod presentation, shows up singly for them. So that's a nice way to get to highlight different people's answers, and then they would see an individual version of that. You can also click the share button, and the individual student's vocabulary score, their own, will be displayed on their iPad. You can also check out the different answers that you have, and you can share this data with the students as well. And then an individual graph pops up on their digital device. So those are just some of the features that Nearpod can make a really engaging presentation for. The last one that I'm going to show you is that if you have a double bubble map on here, you can share the individual students' drawings. So it's just a great way for you to engage your kids and your audience in seeing the different ways that people are doing their learning. So those are just the ways that you get that done, and I hope you guys have a great presentation with Nearpod, and congratulations on creating great digital citizens.